Hello, PrimeTesters! Welcome to this quick tutorial on effortlessly accepting project invitations, being a member of our vibrant community of crowd testers, and earning cash while testing exciting projects. Let's dive in. To kickstart your testing journey, head over to your email inbox and find the exciting project invite from PrimeTesters. Click the provided link inside to access the PrimeTesters platform and go straight to the project page. Once you're on the platform, you'll discover a wealth of information about the project, including its unique requirements. Navigate to the Questionnaires tab and complete all the necessary questions. Your answers help us match you with the project. Hit Submit when you're done. Our team will review your responses, and if you're selected for the project, you'll receive a follow-up email from us. This email will include crucial details such as the expected start date, your assigned project, and the community manager. By clicking the project link in the email, you'll land on the PrimeTesters platform project page. Check out the Details tab for all the project-related information you need. After completing your test cycle and reporting issues in the Issues tab, it's time to head to the Hour Reporting tab. Submit your hour reporting there to ensure you get paid promptly. That's a wrap. You're now a pro at accepting project invitations on the PrimeTesters platform. Thank you for your loyalty and dedication. Your meticulous efforts play a pivotal role in maintaining the high standards we've set. Happy testing! PrimeTesters, Prime Results.